Hi, my name is Joan. I'm with Slaughterbeck Floors, and today I'm getting ready to have a glass of wine. When everybody talks about wine, they think of usually a cork stopper in the top of the wine bottle. But there's other uses for this versatile material, such as flooring. So we're going to talk a little bit about where cork comes from and some of the benefits of cork. This is a part of a cork tree. It looks like a regular tree, right? But when you look at the side, you can see that it's a cork. Cork is taken from trees in Portugal, primarily, and it's taken from the base or the bark, and it's pulled off around the tree. It doesn't kill the tree. That's why cork is a very sustainable material. It's also, of course, used for corks. As you can see here, they're punched out. But flooring is, I always say what's old is new again. The flooring has been around for a long time. Some cork floors can be refinished, meaning it can be sanded and a new finish coat on. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns.